Hi, hello students. How are you? I think all of you good with good health with God's grace. Okay, students. What is studied about previous class? Good. Points and lines. Okay, students. Did you write homework? Okay, good. I think you will do solve correctly. All of you good. Okay, students. That is the lesson we are going to look at today. Statistics. Okay, statistics. What is data? Students, what is data? The numerical informations collected are known as data. The numerical informations are known as data. Okay, students. So, what is numerical informations? What is numerical informations? First one is, for example, in this square box, how many square are there? How many square are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, number of squares is 4. Number of squares is 4. And how many triangle are there? How many triangle are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, number of triangle is 4. And how many circle are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore the number of circle is 4. Okay, students. So the number of the numerical information. This line says that number of square is 4. So this collections of objects is 4. So this type informations write in numerical. So number of square is 4. So therefore the numerical information or facts collected are known as data. Okay, student, can you understand what is data? The numerical information or facts collected are known as data. For example, number of brothers and sisters in your family. Students, say number of brothers and sisters in your family. Number of brothers 2 and number of sisters is 4. So these are the data. So okay, these are the numerical information is data. Okay, student, can you understand? What is tally marks? Students, say what is tally marks? For this one is number of square. This one is number of square. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of square is 1, 2, 3, 4 is denoted in tally marks. In tally marks is denoted number of square is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, students, 1, 2, 3, 4. And number of triangle is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose the number of triangle is 8. Now the circle is 8. 4, 8. Okay. So suppose the number of circle is 8. How to draw a tally marks? Listen. 1, 2. The tally marks is always vertically and slanted. 2, 3, 4. Fifth tally mark is slant. Okay, fifth tally mark is slant, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, students, how to draw a tally marks? Can you understand? For example, what is tally marks? The tally marks is the standard form of representing the data. The standard form of representing the data. Okay, students. So this unit statistics, many tally marks using it. Okay, so for another example, okay, next example, consider the data table. Okay, consider the data table. How many persons, many person using more tick or round and dot and slant and vertical. So many ways using the marks. Okay, so this data, first one is sweet, kesari, gulab jamun, laddu, cake. Okay, students, this one is marks. So frequency is number. So 3, 11, 10, 9. Okay, what is frequency? 3. What is given? 3. So marks, first figure, marks 1, 2, 3, and 11 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the third laddu in marks 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next one, cake in marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Some person marks in frequency in tick marks. Okay, tick marks. And some person using vertical line. Some person using vertical line. Okay. Some person using tick marks and some person using vertical line. Some person using tick marks, some persons using vertical line. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And some gulab jamun is 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So third one is laddu frequency in marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And cake frequency in marks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, students, and tick marks and vertical marks are so done, but easily marks tally marks. Okay, so this units follow follow the tally marks. Okay, every person used tick marks and vertical marks, but tally mark is very easy and simple. Okay, student, now we are follow the tally marks. Okay, now we are follow the tally marks. Okay, so this one is simply method. Can you understand what is tally marks? Now tally marks in numbers. Tally marks in numbers. Okay, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 9, 10. So how to write in tally marks? Okay, the first one is 1. So vertical line, 1 lines. Okay, so second one is 2. So 2 vertical lines and 3 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, and seventh one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slant and 6, 7. Okay, 7 and 8. 8 in tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and ninth one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and tenth one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 4 lines are vertical and fifth lines are slant. These are the tally marks. Okay, student, can you understand? Can you understand tally marks? Now to draw this table. Okay, now to draw a tally marks in this table box. Okay, so castle is 3. So 1, 2, 3, and block down is 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. Okay, next one is we are doing frequency state and tally marks. This one is tally marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, another one cake is tally marks in frequency in tally marks. Cake frequency in tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, student, can you understand tally marks? Okay, good. Now to solving some problems in tally marks. Okay, so example 5.1. Example 5.1. Thamarai is fond of reading books. The number of pages read by her on each day during the last 40 days are given below. Make a tally marks table. Make a tally marks table. What is given? The last 40 days read the number of pages. Okay, are given. So what is given? Last 40 days read the pages are given. So now to find the make a tally marks table. Make a tally marks table. Make a tally marks table. Some frequency are given. That's some frequency are given. So what 1, 3, 5, 6, 6 and so on. Okay. So 40 days reading pages are given below. Now to find the tally marks table. Now to find the tally marks table. Okay, students. So first we collect the data. These are the not arranging data. First we are arranging the data and tally the marks. Okay, and tallying the marks and write in frequency. Okay, student, can you understand? First collection. First this data are arranging and make your tally marks. Okay, so the number of pages. So this one is tally mark. This one is tally marks table. Tally mark table. First one is we take first row. This one is take number of pages. Next one is this, and fifth tally marks slant. Okay, students. So next one is this. Okay, so one line, and last one is this. So one line. So how many tally marks? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many number of pages in one? 7. So in frequency 7. Okay, student. And number of pages in 2. Number of pages in 2. So how many tally marks are there? 2. 1. So 1. Next two is, so none. This one, and draw a vertical line 1, draw a tally mark 1, and this one, draw a tally mark 1, and this one, and fourth one, and next one is this one. So this one is vertical. First 4 and fifth one is vertical. So how many tally marks are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So frequency in 5. Okay, student, can you understand? Can you understand? Okay, next one is number of pages 3. Number of pages 3. Number of pages 3. So 1, 2. So draw 1, 2, and 3. This one. So one vertical line, and this one. So 4 tally marks, and this one. So fifth one. So how many tally marks are there? 5. 5. Okay, student. And fourth, number of pages 4. Number of pages 4. 4. Number of pages 4. Where is 4? 1 times. So draw 1 time, and this one. So draw 1 time, and this one. And so how many tally marks are there? 3. So 3. Okay, frequency is 3. And fifth number of pages 5. So 1 page. So 1 number of pages 1 form, and this one. So and this one 3, and this one, and this one 2, and this one 1, this one, and this one 2 times vertical. So this one, this one. So slant, and 1, this one. So how many tally marks are there? This one is 5, this one is 5, 5 plus 5, 11, 12. Okay, so next 6 pages. Number of 6 pages. 1, 2. So draw 2 times. Draw 2 times, and 6 1. So 1 times. 6 1 times, and 6 2 times. So 1 times land, and 1 time. And next to 6. This one. So 1. And this one. So 1. This one. So 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So 7, 5, 7. Okay. So how many tally marks are there? 7. Okay, student. Can you understand? So now add the frequency. Now add the frequency. So frequency total 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 12 plus 7. So 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 12 plus 7. So 7 plus 6 30 and 5 plus 3 8 and 12 plus 7 19. So 13 plus 8 21. Good. 21 plus 19. Students, someone say the answer. 21 plus 19 40. So frequency in total is 40. So total number of frequency is 40. So total number of frequency is 40. Okay, students, write your class work note. Okay, students, write your class work note. Did you write? Okay. Okay, student. Next problem. Exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. Problem number 3. Exercise 5.1. Problem number 3. Third problem. The following list tells colors liked by 25 students. Prepare a table using tally marks. Prepare a table using tally marks. Okay. The following list tells colors liked by 25 students. Prepare a table using tally marks. What is given? Solution. How many colors are here? How many colors? First color red. So list of color red. First one is red and blue color and white color and gray color and green color. So first list of colors. Okay. So first arrange the color names. And white. White. One time green. One time gray. One time blue. One time green. One time gray. So that time blue. One time gray. This one and red and red this. So next green and red. Next blue and blue. Fifth one blue is slanty. Fifth one blue is slanty. Okay, slant. Okay. Next one is green. Blue. Green. Fifth one so slanty. Gray. Fifth one so slanty. Next gray. Green. Gray. Reds. Okay, student? Can you understand? Okay, now to convert tally marks into frequency. Tally marks into frequency. Frequency is number. So tally marks into number. So how many tally marks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tally marks. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So frequency is 6. Blue's frequency is 6. And third one is white color is 1, 2. And grey color is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. And green color is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So, okay, student, can you understand? Can you understand this problem? This is way of tally marks. Okay, prepare a tally mark. Prepare a table using tally marks. This one is arrange the data. So list of color is 5 and tally marks frequency. This is arranged. This one is collections of data and in total is now frequency total is 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 6 25, 19 plus 6 25. So therefore 25 students likes 25 colors. Okay students, 25 students like 25 colors. Okay student, can you understand this problem? Okay, good. Next problem. Fifth problem. We are going to the next problem. Fifth one. The table shows the number of calls recorded by a fire service station in 1 year. Okay students, what is given? 1 year calls recorded given the table. So first column says the types of calls. Building fires, other fires, hazardous materials, rescues and false alarms. Okay, so tally marks and columns says that tally marks, and third column is frequency. Some number is missing and some tally marks are missing. So now to first find the tally marks and frequency. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frequency, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are frequencies 7. So total marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and this frequency is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And tally marks is even. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So frequency is 7. So total number of frequencies. Students, sum and say the answer. 6 plus 11, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. 35. So, therefore, the total number of frequencies is 35. So, total number of calls, 35 calls. Okay, students? So, and fifth question start now. Okay. What is first questions? Which type of call was recorded the most? Which type of call was recorded the most? Which is big? 6, 11, 7, 4, 7 is what given. Okay, 6 calls, 11 calls, 7 calls, 4 calls, 7 calls. Okay, if this one is which is most. This one is bigger, so 11 is bigger. So other fires. So first one is answer is other fire. What question? Which type of call was recorded the most? So other fires. First one answer is other fire. What is second question? Which type of call was recorded the least? Which type of call was recorded the least? So call recorded, what is given? So 6, 11, 7, 4, 7. These are mostly, which is least number. This 4 is least number. So 4 near rescue. So second one answer is rescue. Okay. So third question is how many calls were recorded in all? So 1 year recorded calls 1 year recorded calls is 35. So number of record calls is 35. Third answer is 35. Okay. So fourth questions, what is given? How many calls were recorded as false alarms? False alarms. So false alarms is how many calls? 7 calls. How many calls? 7 calls. So fourth question's answer is 7. Okay, student, can you understand? Okay. Homework. Second and fourth problems. Exercise number 5.1. Exercise number 5.1. Homework. Problem number 2 and 4 homeworks. This problem is like this. Example 5.1. Example 5.1. Okay, student, can you understand this topic? Okay. Okay students, we are with the next class. Take care. Bye bye.